Hi, in this video let me show you how to program a third-party remote control with your Bose TV speaker soundbar. This means that you can take your TV remote control and program it so that you can change the volume up and down and even the mute button. Therefore, you won't need to use the original remote control for this soundbar. So how does it work? How can you program almost any remote control with an IR infrared blaster? Step number one is, well, you need to take the original remote. Make sure that the soundbar is turned on. And you're going to press the TV button over here during 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If nothing happens, okay, it happened. You see, both of these lights needs to be turned on after 3 seconds. If it doesn't work, keep it pressed 4 seconds. Then you're gonna press volume up. But you need to be quick. If both of the lights over here disappears, you need to start again. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Both lights are on. Then I will press volume up. And then take your TV or the other remote control and press volume up during 2 seconds. When it got registered over here, the light switched to amber and it also made a sound, as you notice. Now we have exit. Unfortunately, if you don't do it quick enough to program the other buttons, it will exit this mode. So let me go back and program volume down. Again, I'll keep press this TV button. 1, 2, 3. Okay, both lights are on. I'll press the minus button. I'll go on my TV remote control and I'll keep press the minus button on it 2 seconds until I hear that sound and that the light over here is amber. And finally, you can also program the mute button. Same thing, keep press the TV button 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then press the mute button on the Bose remote. Take your TV remote you want to program and press the mute button. And here you go. This LG TV remote control, could have been any other brand, by the way, is now programmed to work, to change the volume and also the mute button. So I don't need this one anymore. This is great in case you have connected your soundbar using an optical cable to your TV. Usually with an optical cable, you cannot control the volume of this soundbar using your TV remote control. But now, after doing this trick, you can. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.